everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DIY Quick Crafts with Miss Abigail from the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today we will be making a very fun and easy craft with supplies you probably already have in your house. So let's get started.
You will need a few supplies to get this craft started. First, you will need an empty cereal box to use as a shelf for your book holder. You will also need Mod Podge, a paintbrush, a paint tray, a ruler, a marker or a pen, scissors or an X-Acto knife, and the paper you would like your book holder to be wrapped in. You want to start by measuring your cut lines. Measure 5 inches up from the bottom of the box and make a quick marking. You'll then want to connect that marking with the top left corner of your box using your ruler to create a crisp, straight line. Repeat these steps on the other side of the box. Don't forget to connect the 5-inch measurement on the side of the box. Once your measurements are completely done, begin cutting along your guidelines. After cutting, your box will look something like this. Now you will want to take your paper and place it face down on the table. Carefully line your cut box up with the paper and begin tracing the box. After all 4 sides are traced, cut out your paper. Now it is time to glue your paper down. Take the box and apply a heavy coat of Mod Podge or liquid glue to the sides of your box. Place the paper on the glue and smooth it out. Apply pressure if the paper doesn't stick right away. If you find that your paper is having a hard time sticking, try scoring the surface of your box with your scissors. Continue this process on all sides until your book holder is completely covered by paper. And there you have it, an easy craft to give your bookshelf a new, vibrant look. Thanks for watching.